How to add highlights to your Instagram account without needing to post a story. Well, let me show you how it's done. First things first, you have to open up Instagram, and over there you can see that I don't have any current story posted yet. I'll be making a new highlight. So let me show you how it's done. First, go to your profile. On the bottom right corner you can see a logo or a circle wherein your profile picture is there. You press on it and then you come to your profile, and over there on the top right corner you can see there is this three lines. You press on it and over here you go to archive. Once you're in your stories archive, let's say I want to make a highlight for my cats. So all I do is click on this and boom, on the bottom right corner you can see there is this highlight option. I press on it, I create a new highlight. Cats. Boom. And that's pretty much it. I have added a new highlight. All I have to do now is press refresh and there you go. I've created a highlight without needing to post a story. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.